Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Hieroglyphics back at it. Another beautiful day here in Miami. Currently on the way to Unique SBK. We got an Aprilia demo day going on over there. So gonna see how many bikes I can try out today. It's a Sunday, but lately traffic has been out of hand in Miami. So let's hope on the way that way we don't have to deal with too much of that. Nonetheless, the weather is great. Got my girlfriend with me today. Gonna see if they let her hop on one of the bikes with me. She knows how to ride. She had a Ninja 400 a while ago. She had to sell it for personal reasons, but she does not have her endorsement, so they probably won't let her test ride something over there. But nonetheless, we'll get out there, hang out a little bit, check out the bikes. Started to get tired of that naked bike life. This wind is just annoying, man. You just want to tuck down and cruise and enjoy it, and you're just being blasted left and right. There's nothing fun about that. It's worse when you got a passenger in the back and you got to deal with her weight. But hey, it is what it is. What can you do? Chopping up traffic today. And that wind ain't playing today. That nice little Turbo S, looking clean and white, nice and simple. My mom moved over to Arizona and I helped her move over there. The heat over there is unbearable. I saw a couple of dudes on a motorcycle. I don't know how you can wear full gear over there and ride. You just literally get cooked alive. So if there's any Arizona riders out here on YouTube, let me know how you feel about Arizona, because I would not like to live there and ride there. I'd honestly just stay inside all day and I wouldn't even go outside. Yeah, Miami's hot, we're humid, but that Arizona heat, man, is just something else. It's like you open up an oven and you just get punched in the face with heat. It's not fun. I don't know why you would want to live there. There's so much construction going on here now. I don't even know if both of these lanes merge left. I barely drive by here, and then the mess that they've had for a couple years now is insane. It gets crazier and crazier by the month. Man, I can't stand I-95. This has got to be the sketchiest highway in all of Miami. This has the highest accidents in all of the United States. If not, it was Florida, but I'm almost positive it was the entire United States. This is the most dangerous highway. Don't quote me on that. Got undercover Mustang over there. You're kidding me. Good to know though. The Burgundy Undercover 5.0. Glad our tax dollars are being put to use. Almost there, 4 minutes away. We got here. There's a park over here. All right, let's get a little walkthrough of the bikes here. Couple R660s, 210s, RSV4s. Actually waiting on another RSV4 because they sold one of the we're using for the demo. So they should be pulling out a factory right now. I'll take care of her. Brand new tires. Yeah. We got 1 mile on the odometer. Let's go. See, I ain't gonna do all that with the bike. We got brand new tires here. We got 2 miles on this bike, so I'm not trying to break anything right now. Sounds beautiful. Woo! Yeah. It's buttery shifts. Buttery. Man, I gotta get myself one of these one day. Yeah, Aprilia gang. Yeah, we got all the Aprilias out. Beautiful bike. Sounds mean as hell. Brand new tires. Woo! Beautiful. I mean, it handles so well. Throttle is crazy smooth. Man, you know what? I do like that 210 V4 though. Wherever it's at. Nice little cruise, man. I'm just so focused on the bike, I haven't said a word. I won't lie though, the seating position is not the best. It pulls. It's a nice bike. 5 miles on the odometer. Feels great though. That seated position after a while does get pretty bad. I mean, what can I say? It's a fun bike, smooth bike. It's brand new. Red line seems to be at about 13,500. Nice little test ride. Super hot out. This bike likes to be in high RPM, does not like going slow, I'll tell you that. Mess around with the power modes, put it on, I believe is the lowest restriction. Kept traction control on 3 just because. Clean bikes. Aprilia engine management, then engine brake control, traction, wheelie control, launch control, ABS, and we got active road mode. Oh, we got it on 3, I guess. So I'll probably dampen the suspension up a little bit, make it comfortable. It's just ready to come up in second gear. I wasn't even giving it like full throttle. God, you gotta love the way these things sound. Sure, Ducati sound nice, R1s sound nice, but this just sounds sick. Especially this one with that Leo Vinci slip-on. It's like the Aprilia gang riding through Miami, terrorizing the streets. Huge shout out to Unique Superbikes for bringing this event over with Aprilia to the showroom. Yeah, that's what we want. We want 1,000+ cc power. Mad fun on this thing. This thing is nice. Yeah. Stunt squad over here. All right, we made it back. That was fun. That was nice.